Hello friends, today's topic is management and its function. Let's start. Firstly, what is the concept of management? Management is an art of managing people and other resources of an organization. There is various theories, tools and technique which helps to manage and increase productivity of the organization. So, according to this analysis, we can tell that management is a multi-purpose organ which manages a business and manager manages workers and works. Thus, it is a process of effectively achieving organizational objective by efficiently using restricted means and resources. So, this is all about the concept of management. And the next part is element of management. Which are the elements related to the management? Firstly, management aims at achieving a predefined goal. Thus, it focuses on effectiveness. So, predefined goal is a element of management. Next, management deals with physical and human resources. Physical and human resources. Human resources is related to employee benefit of an organization or information about employee. Next, management is the process which is regular and continuous. Management is a regular and continuous process of a business. The principles of management are applicable to all forms of organization, thus it is universal. So we can tell that management is a universal process. Management, next point is management deals with group of people and resources. So this is another key element of management. And lastly, management is an art as well as a science. So this is all about the element of management. Next portion is features of management. There are various features of management: profession, authority, interdisciplinary, attaining objective, decision making, intangible, economic function, etc. All are the features of management. And we describe one by one. Firstly, profession. Management is a profession because it has a systematic body, principle and procedure which aims at achieving stipulated objectives. It requires specialized training and various ethical code govern this profession. So, profession is a key feature of the management. Next point is authority. Management is based on system of authority wherein the manager is empowered and acts in prearranged fashion. So, management is a authority. Next point is interdisciplinary. Management is a subject which draws various thoughts and models from different subjects such as psychology, economics, mathematics, anthropology, sociology, statistics, etc. For this reason, this is the feature of management, interdisciplinary. Next point is attaining objective. Management aims at achieving rich outcomes and results. These results can be measured in terms of money. So, management helps to achieving the organization objectives effectively and efficiently. Next point is decision making. Decision making is the central to management. Decisions are made with regard to various operational and organizational dimensions. Next point is intangible. Management cannot be seen. We cannot see the management. Touch or fit. Cannot seen, touch, fit. It can be seen only as the result of organization's decision, that is increase in profit, goodwills, etc. So management is not tangible.